Accost. Accost. Accost is a verb meaning to approach and speak to first. Here are a few ways in which accost can be used. Frank, a cashier, was known to accost unsuspecting customers about their purchases. Social anxiety is usually amplified when a person feels he or she has to accost someone by initiating conversation. Now you say accost. Try the word again. Accost. Accost. Accost is a verb meaning to confront in a challenging or aggressive way. Here are a few ways in which accost can be used. Molly felt moved to accost the clerk who wouldn't assist her. She wanted to accost him at the reunion because he'd been mean to her all through grade school. Now you say accost. Try the word again. Animadversion. Animadversion. Animadversion is a noun meaning a comment indicating strong criticism or disapproval. Here are a few ways in which animadversion can be used. The young filmmaker related her animadversion for other students' work in no uncertain terms. After throwing the unauthorized party, Lydia's father expressed his animadversion towards her actions. Now you say animadversion. Try the word again. Avid. Avid. Avid is an adjective meaning desirous of something to the point of greed. Here are a few ways in which avid can be used. Candace was so avid about wanting the jewels that she stole them. Lucy stared at the group of socialites in avid admiration. Now you say avid. Try the word again. Avid. Avid. Avid is an adjective meaning intensely eager. Here are a few ways in which avid can be used. Tyson is an avid ballroom dancer who competes internationally. They were avid travelers who had been to nearly every country in Europe. Now you say avid. Try the word again. Brackish. Brackish. Brackish is an adjective meaning having a salty taste and unpleasant to drink. Here are a few ways in which brackish can be used. The guide warned tourists not to consume the brackish water. The campers were worried they'd only find brackish water, but the mountain irrigation acted as a filter. Now you say brackish. Try the word again. Celerity. Celerity. Celerity is a noun meaning swiftness, rapidity of motion or action. Here are a few ways in which celerity can be used. The first airplanes invented did not have great celerity. Race cars are specially manufactured for celerity and exceptional safety. Now you say celerity. Try the word again. Devious. Devious. Devious is an adjective meaning straying or wandering from a straight or direct course. Here are a few ways in which devious can be used. If it weren't for the map, we would have been forced to take a devious route. John decided he wanted to be a painter and took a path quite devious from those of his siblings. Now you say devious. Try the word again. Devious. Devious. Devious is an adjective meaning done or acting in a shifty or underhanded way. Here are a few ways in which devious can be used. It was devious for the psychic to take money from people under the guise that she could predict the future. When Terry made a false promise, rumors started that he is a devious person. Now you say devious. Try the word again. Gambit. Gambit. Gambit is a noun, meaning in chess, an opening move that involves risk or sacrifice of a minor piece in order to gain a later advantage. Any opening move of this type. Here are a few ways in which gambit can be used. Everyone knew the chess player would use an unconventional gambit to gain an advantage. The smart Gambit was to gauge consumer response before marketing the product. Now you say Gambit. Try the word again. Halcyon. Halcyon. Halcyon is a noun meaning a legendary bird identified with the kingfisher. Here are a few ways in which Halcyon can be used. She changed the trajectory of her thesis when she read about the mythical Halcyon. Teaching about the Halcyon inspired Miss Gregson to live near the sea. Now you say Halcyon. Try the word again. Halcyon. Halcyon. Halcyon is an adjective meaning of or relating to the halcyon: calm, peaceful, happy, golden, prosperous, affluent. Here are a few ways in which Halcyon can be used. The new spa boasts a Halcyon theme with a Zen garden. Her Halcyon days were spent exploring Europe as a teenager. It was an unforgettable experience. Now you say Halcyon. Try the word again. Histrionic. Histrionic. Histrionic is an adjective meaning pertaining to actors and their techniques: theatrical, artificial, melodramatic. Here are a few ways in which histrionic can be used. Our friends didn't enjoy the movie because of the histrionic acting. Their argument in the middle of the grocery store was histrionic and embarrassing. Now you say histrionic. Try the word again. Incendiary. Incendiary. Incendiary is an adjective meaning deliberately setting or causing fires, designed to start fires, tending to stir up strife or rebellion. Here are a few ways in which incendiary can be used. The police announced who was responsible for the incendiary behavior around town. Jackie left her boyfriend because of his incendiary attitude and poor conflict resolution. Now you say incendiary. Try the word again. Incendiary. Incendiary. Incendiary is a noun meaning one who deliberately sets fires: arsonist. Here are a few ways in which incendiary can be used. Faulkner writes about an incendiary in his short story, Barn Burning. The house fire was started by a known incendiary. Now you say incendiary. Try the word again. Incendiary. Incendiary. Incendiary is a noun meaning one who causes strife. Here are a few ways in which incendiary can be used. We knew the sergeant was an incendiary when he made us run 10 extra miles. The incendiary took over the country and started a new government. Now you say incendiary. Try the word again. Maelstrom. Maelstrom. Maelstrom is a noun meaning a whirlpool of great size and violence, a situation resembling a whirlpool in violence and destruction. Here are a few ways in which maelstrom can be used. The burglars caused a maelstrom as they sped away from the vandalized house. Meteorologists say that the eye of a tornado is where the maelstrom occurs and is actually safer than being at the edge. Now you say maelstrom. Try the word again. Myopic. Myopic. Myopic is an adjective meaning nearsighted. Here are a few ways in which myopic can be used. The doctor knew that Portia's vision was myopic when she couldn't see anything that was more than a foot away. He had to explain to the officer that he failed to see the road sign because of his myopic vision. Now you say myopic. Try the word again. Myopic. Myopic. Myopic is an adjective meaning lacking a broad, realistic view of a situation, lacking foresight or discernment. Here are a few ways in which myopic can be used. Unfortunately, his myopic views caused him to have difficulty completing the task. If Carol's opinions weren't so myopic, she'd have a better chance in the dating pool. Now you say myopic. Try the word again. Overt. Overt. Overt is an adjective meaning open, not hidden, expressed or revealed in a way that is easily recognized. Here are a few ways in which overt can be used. The secret mission became overt when the spy's identity was discovered. He was overt about the fact that he wasn't ready for a relationship, so it was no surprise when they broke up. Now you say overt. Try the word again. Pejorative. Pejorative. Pejorative is an adjective meaning tending to make worse. Here are a few ways in which pejorative can be used. Michael made a pejorative decision to encourage the bullies. Pejorative eating habits are bad for digestion. Now you say pejorative. Try the word again. Pejorative. Pejorative. Pejorative is an adjective meaning expressing disapproval or disparagement, derogatory, deprecatory, belittling. Here are a few ways in which pejorative can be used. Her pejorative remarks were unwarranted and hurtful. The teacher's pejorative comments on student papers resulted in many parent-teacher conferences. Now you say pejorative. Try the word again. Propriety. Propriety. Propriety is a noun meaning the state of being proper, appropriateness, standards of what is proper or socially acceptable. Here are a few ways in which propriety can be used. After her behavior at dinner, it was clear she had no sense of propriety. Propriety was compromised when the off-duty policeman broke the door down. Now you say propriety. Try the word again. Sacrilege. Sacrilege. Sacrilege is a noun meaning improper or disrespectful treatment of something held sacred. Here are a few ways in which sacrilege can be used. Parishioners were shocked at the sacrilege committed at the church by vandals. While some people and cultures embrace body modification, others consider it sacrilege. Now you say sacrilege. Try the word again. Summarily. Summarily. Summarily is an adverb meaning without delay or formality. Here are a few ways in which summarily can be used. After his outburst, the teacher summarily asked the student to leave the class. The report was summarily written to convey the most important points. Now you say summarily. Try the word again. Summarily. Summarily. Summarily is an adverb meaning briefly, concisely. Here are a few ways in which summarily can be used. They knew Margaret had other engagements and asked merely that she speak summarily at the event. The report was summarily written to convey the most important points. Now you say summarily. Try the word again. Suppliant. Suppliant. Suppliant is an adjective meaning asking humbly and earnestly. Here are a few ways in which suppliant can be used. Her suppliant and thoughtful inquiry made the other contestants nervous. Although Regina acted confident about the course, her questions about the assignment were suppliant. Now you say suppliant. Try the word again. Suppliant. Suppliant. Suppliant is a noun, meaning one who makes a request humbly and earnestly, a petitioner, suitor. Here are a few ways in which suppliant can be used. He approached as a suppliant, begging for forgiveness. The activist group sent a suppliant to ask the mayor for her support. Now you say suppliant. Try the word again. Talisman. Talisman. Talisman is a noun, meaning an object that serves as a charm or is believed to confer magical powers, an amulet, fetish. Here are a few ways in which talisman can be used. A four-leaf clover is a popular talisman with origins in Ireland. The necklace was passed down as a talisman from the shaman. Now you say talisman. Try the word again. Undulate. Undulate. Undulate is a verb, meaning to move in waves or with a wave-like motion, to have a wave-like appearance or form. Here are a few ways in which undulate can be used. He could see the flag undulate in the breeze. How the ocean will undulate is often based on moon cycles. Now you say undulate. Try the word again.